Hey Saber fans, Tony here from Sabers, and today another install review for you. If you're new to the channel, I do install, repair, and review these sabers, so please like, comment, subscribe. Now currently I'm doing a giveaway. Once the channel reaches 5k subscribers, I'll be doing a fully installed Neopixel Lightsaber giveaway. If you're interested in doing this giveaway, the link in the description below explains all the rules and regulations to enter the giveaway. I also have a website now for all my products, either fonts or finished sabers. That'll be found at ronensabers.com. Now, without further ado, let's get to the video. So this is a Saberforge Arbiter, and so it's a very small, complex hilt. The customer wanted some type of accent LEDs on there. I originally thought Luke Skywalker red and green, and then changed it up a bit because I haven't done a blue accent LED before. And so, as you saw in the beginning of the video, it'll blink green or blue when it's off, and then green when it's on. And so I'll show that real quick. So you can see that blinking green, and then when we turn off, blinking blue. This is a very compact hilt. I bought a Saberforge chassis 3D print at I forget the place, Mountain Sabers I think it's called, but they had one of your print yourself chassis, and this is the first time I'm using it with this hilt, and it fits very well diameter wise, but lengthwise it's still very compact. And so the only thing that I would warn is to be careful with putting on these threads at the bottom. I did add an O-ring to give it some more space, but putting on the pommel you want to be pretty careful. I also added a sub blade, so your saber will pulse, just so I could see like in the emitters and use them a lot more. So when you have the blade in or have a blade plug in, it'll pulse like crystals inside it, just because I liked the way that it looked on the windows. And so it has 10 fonts on there, plus the party blade, gesture features, proffie OS 6.5, Smuggler's Outpost 28mm speaker. There's a good shake. There you go. USB and SD card access, 2.1 recharge port, again the speaker, 18650 lithium battery, yeah, all the parts, the Neopixel connector, and other things came from the custom saber shop. The Smuggler's Outpost speaker, of course, came from Smuggler's Outpost, and so yeah, a very nice install overall, very small. He did ask for a 35-inch blade, so that's going to be a bit weird with a smaller hilt, but without further ado, let's show you off the fonts. Alright, so again, you'll see the sub blade in the vents, and then you'll see the accents, again, blue when on, and then green when off. Green when on, blue when off. So, first up,
Bo-Katan sent me.
So again, you can kind of see the accents and stuff. So this is the Sorcerer by Chirophonic. For a smaller saber, it is very loud. So you want to hold the power button on the go.
Grogu.
Or quotes.
Come on. Take the stone.
I've only known one other being like this. A wise Jedi Master named Yoda.
For blasters, tap Ox. For lockup, holding flash. For lightning block, you want to hold Ox, tap power. And hold power, tap Ox. Now color changing I won't show on this one because you won't be able to see it because it's white, but yeah. This has a Mando track on there for Ahsoka. Next up. This has Leia's theme. This is Royalty by Chirophonic. A nice light blue for this one. So color changing, hold Ox, tap power. Rotate to whatever color, say a deeper blue. You can hold power and twist to lock in a more fine-tuned color. You can also turn the track off by holding like that while the saber's up. And so yeah. Next up.
Commander Skywalker, do you copy?
This is ESB Graflex V2. I'm gonna change the blade style on this. Oh no, this is the correct blade, sorry. My bad. It's the Obi-Wan font that's bad. No. Tons of quotes on this one as well.
No, it's not true. That's impossible.
So yeah. This has the Luke vs. Vader track on there. This is Father V2 ESB version, has the Imperial March on it. Also has twist on and twist off for gesture features. tons of quotes on there. Next up.
Only a Sith deals in absolutes. I will do what I must.
This is Heroes Pack by Kyberphonic. This is the Obi-Wan version. Anakin versus Obi-Wan as the track. Oh.
Sith Lords are our speciality. Sith Lords are our speciality. I don't think so.
Next up.
I wondered when you would return.
This is Temple Guardian by Kyberphonic. Nice yellow blade there. Next up. This is Code Fulcrum by Kyberphonic. It has the Season 2 finale. Oh. It has also a track player, so you can just rotate your saber and go through all of them. Once you like one, you can tap power to lock it in, then tap again to turn on. So it's a very quiet track. Multi-blast, you want to hold Aux for 2 seconds, let go. Do the begin blast, you swing your saber. Get out of it, tap once more. Here, cool down. Next up.
Ezra Bridger.
This is Loth Hero by Kyberphonic. This has Ezra's theme as the track. It's an interesting font.
Is that really Ezra?
Most of the time.
Get down!
Next up.
Ben Kenobi?
This is OB4V2 by Kyberphonic. This is the Katina version. Nice medium blue. Also quotes.
Moss Iceland spaceport. You will never find a more wretched hive of scum and villainy. The Force can have a strong influence on the weak-minded.
Has the Force theme as the track. Next up.
I am a Jedi, like my father.
This is Return V2 by Kyberphonic. It has the large bard scene as the track. So yeah. Turn off the track real quick. It's a very long track or beginning track.
You can either profit by this or be destroyed.
George, I warn you not to underestimate my power.
Next up.
The Knight and the Dragon.
This is Knight and the Dragon by Lord Blanco. This is an Obi-Wan inspired font while he's on Tatooine. This has an ambient track of the Krayt Dragon and stuff in the background. So, yeah. Next up.
Come, little one.
This is Luke the Rescue by Saber X. The customer requested this specifically, but yeah, it has different tracks on it as well, and so you can choose one. This font alone doesn't have accent swings. Effects. Very nice. Next up.
Prepare a boarding party.
This is the party blade and your passive battery monitor, and of course, the party track. So that includes the install for the Arbiter saber from Saberforge. I hope the customer enjoys it. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day, and may the Force be with you.